When the Oakworks Premier Sleep Support arrives, check to make sure each of these pieces were included in your shipment. A torso cushion, a crescent face cushion, a face support platform, flannel face rest covers for the crescent face cushion, and the 3-pad system face rest, as well as an instructional video or DVD and printed instructions. First, place the face support platform on the mattress at the head of the bed and fold back the U-shaped bar as illustrated on the sticker of the platform. Next, place the thicker edge of the torso cushion on top of the support platform. Be sure to leave some space for your neck between the torso cushion and the cam locks of the U-shaped bar. Now Velcro the face rest cushion on top of the U-shaped bar. Put the washable flannel cover over the crescent pad. This provides additional comfort. Then lie on top of the torso cushion with your shoulders positioned near the higher edge of the cushion. Verify all white cam locks are unlocked. Now hold the face rest and the U-shaped bar. Find a comfortable position by moving the face rest cushion up and down or in and out. Pull the face rest towards you until your forehead rests comfortably on the crescent face cushion. When you have the face rest adjusted to a position with your eyes and nose pointed down to the mattress, lock all white cam locks. This will secure everything in place. You can adjust the crescent face cushion to make it more comfortable by increasing or decreasing the distance between the open ends of the cushion. The 3-pad face rest cushion shown here in our comfortable washable flannel covers can be used in place of the crescent face rest cushion when wearing an eye patch or globe. Velcro the black support plate with the 3-pad cushion to the U-shaped bar. Remove the 2 cheek pads and hold them up to your face where they are comfortable, with the thicker part towards your hairline. Still holding the cheek pads to your face, lean forward onto the face rest until the cushions are again in contact with the Velcro on the faceplate. Please note that the face rest cushion should be angled down slightly so you are looking face down at the black base of the face rest platform. For additional body comfort, try using a pillow underneath your ankles to elevate your feet. We also suggest using a bed sheet or bath towel over the torso cushion. Your Oakworks support equipment can be easily cleaned. Simply wipe down with a damp cloth. If needed, you can also use a mild soap with water to wipe down your equipment. The flannel covers can be washed in the washing machine and dried in the dryer for repeated use. When you receive your Oakworks seated support, check to make sure each of these pieces were included in your shipment. The crescent face cushion, the rectangular chest pad, the armrest shelf with pad, the seat pad, knee pads, and the chair body that comes with the quick lock face rest. The seated support, lean it forward onto the front legs, then lift up and pull out on the back of the seat pad until the chair legs separate and the cable is tight underneath the chair. Rotate the face rest platform to an eyes down position and lock the cam locks. Use 2 of the knobs provided to secure the face rest at the proper height and tighten them lightly. Raise the armrest to a horizontal position, lock the cam lock, and pull on the armrest strap to raise it to a level position. The height of the chair can only be adjusted when no one is sitting on the chair. Lift the back of the chair up and push forward to create slack in the cable. There's a small Z-clip in the tube that supports the seat. Remove the Z-clip from the hole by pulling up and out at an angle. Reinsert the Z-clip into the seat tube. Pull back the tube and make sure that the cable is tight underneath and that the Z-clip is inserted properly in the hole. Now adjust the seat angle by pushing in the button and adjusting it up or down. Usually having the seat angle down a little in the front is best. The seat will always sit at an angle for comfort and proper positioning. To sit on the chair, hold onto the chest pad with both hands, straddle the chair, sit down, and lean forward into the chair. The lower the Z-clip is placed into the holes, the more horizontal you are. The lower the push button is placed in the holes, the more upright and vertical you are. The height of the seated support can be adjusted to fit different body types. If you are shorter and similar to this height, you can find a comfortable height by starting at the highest height setting with the push button in the lowest hole and the Z-clip in the highest hole. Then work your way down to the most comfortable height setting for you. Shown here is an example of a comfortable setting for a shorter person of this height. If you are taller and similar to this height, you can find your comfort height by starting at the highest height setting and working your way down to your most comfortable setting. Shown here is an example of a comfortable setting for a taller person of this height. For extra comfort, you can rest your legs on the floor for a different position. The silver lines on the tube are for your reference when repacking the seated support. Loosen the white knobs and release the cam locks to adjust the face rest. If the cam locks aren't on the side of your strongest hand, you can flip the face rest over so they are. Put your face into the pad and relax forward into it until you find a comfortable and accurate position where you're looking and facing straight down. While holding the face rest in position with one hand, tighten the white knobs and lock the cam locks in place. The cam locks may require a little force to lock and unlock. If you are a little shorter, you may find that moving the face rest back towards you may be the best way to find a comfortable position. Pull the Velcro attached crescent face cushion off the quick lock face rest. You can adjust it to make it more comfortable by increasing or decreasing the distance between the open ends of the cushion. The Velcro attached chest pad can be adjusted to a higher or lower position on the chest plate. Some patients find it more comfortable to turn the chest pad sideways. To adjust the armrest shelf, release the cam lock and the strap. Move the armrest shelf to the correct height for your activity. Lock the cam lock first, then adjust the length of the strap. Using these two adjustment points, you can change both the height and the angle of the armrest. You can also easily remove the armrest pad that is attached to the armrest shelf with Velcro strips on the sides. The 3-pad face rest cushion can be used in place of the crescent face rest cushion when wearing eyeglasses, an eye patch, or globe. Remove the crescent face cushion, Velcro the black support plate with the 3-pad cushion to the U-shaped bar. Remove the 2 cheek pads and hold them up to your face where they are comfortable, with the thicker part towards your hairline. Still holding the cheek pads to your face, lean forward onto the face rest until the cushions are again in contact with the Velcro on the faceplate. After a while, your position may no longer feel comfortable. It is recommended you get up at least once an hour to stretch and move around. It's easy to change the angle of the face rest for the sake of comfort. Just make sure that you always maintain an angle that keeps your face and eyes in the prescribed face-down position. You can also put your feet on the ground instead of always using the leg rest. To get off the chair, use the chest pad to brace your hands and push yourself up. Do not use the armrest for this purpose. Using the mirror. The two-way mirror helps you pass the time by providing a clear view of objects directly in front of you, such as a television, family, and friends. The Oakworks Leasing mirror is used the same way with both the seated and tabletop supports. It arrives with the mirrors already attached in a preset angle for the best field of view. Be sure to save the packaging material for return shipment. Position the mirror so the small mirror is on the bottom and closest to the platform, and the large mirror is closest to you. Peer over the top of the large mirror down into the small mirror as shown. Make sure your eyes are looking straight down. To adjust the mirror, you can pull the mirror closer to you or pivot the mirror from the base if you want to see something that is higher up your line of vision. Be sure to check with your doctor about which activities are appropriate for you. You can eat and drink in the seated support. You can also participate in recreational activities such as playing card games with friends or looking through photo albums. If you watch TV from your seated support, use a remote control to make it easier. The seated support was designed to be the most comfortable option for daytime activities. It is very important to note that this piece of equipment is not intended for use while sleeping. Rather, use the sleep support on your bed when napping and sleeping at night. Also, the armrest is not designed to take a lot of weight, so do not put pressure on the armrest when standing up. Instead, use the chest pad to steady yourself. Your Oakworks support equipment can be easily cleaned. Simply wipe down with a damp cloth. If needed, you can also use a mild soap with water to wipe down your equipment. The flannel covers can be washed in the washing machine and dried in the dryer for repeated use.